So just moved into a new job. It's a blowdown. That means that a big windstorm came through and laid the whole woods down. Yesterday I moved in, dropped the cutter off and made a landing here. Got some wood piled up, got some brush piled up over here. But you can see the wind, if it didn't blow it down, it just snapped it right off. I mean, the wind was so strong that it just snapped the trees right off if it didn't blow them down. I would say most of them are blown right flat, but some of this bigger stuff just snapped off. So we're gonna get started. This is a good video to show what the 822 will do in blowdown. I've been doing blowdowns my entire life, and I've did them with mostly grapple skidders, and that is a big difference from a cable skidder. But having this cutter, it's night and day even to a grapple skidder. So another big plus of buying this machine, for me, blowdown, storm damage, a lot safer. This is the most dangerous logging you can do right here, because stuff has pressure on it from other trees landing on it. So if you're in here with a chainsaw, it's definitely dangerous. And if you're gonna get hurt, this is probably where you're gonna get hurt. So being in this machine is a cakewalk. I mean, your nerves are a little shot by the end of the day, but there's a lot going on, and you move one thing and about 20 different things move. So it makes it a lot better in the machine here. But I'm going to show you guys around a little bit and show you how much of a mess this is, and then we'll get started. So a lot of these trees, as I work into them, I will cut the top off them to relieve some pressure, and then I'll kind of stand them upwards and then cut the stump off them. So that's how we go through here. This is I would say maybe 5 to 10 acres, somewhere in there, just blown flat. So we're gonna get started. This job, I'm only logging it, so I don't have to do anything with the brush. I am piling some of it just to keep it out of my way. So we'll get started here.